Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made spring roll wraps or samosa sheets using liquid dough. Before we get started, let me welcome you all to my channel. This is your passionate food lover and you're most welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like, and leave a comment for your girl. Thank you. So for this, I'm going to need a large bowl, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then a pinch of salt, like 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm just clicking ahead to mix it all together. And then I'm going to first start with 1 cup of water and then mix it to form a dough, a liquid dough. In total, I used 2 cups of water to attain the consistency that I wanted for my dough. Now that I'm content with the consistency, I'm just going ahead to sieve my dough so that I'll get rid of any lumps that is in my dough. If you have lumps in your dough, I don't know, it makes your wraps like lumpy. But then if you sieve it, like it makes it fresh, smooth. I really want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are the best. But if you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a like and a comment for me on this video. Thank you. Now that I've sieved my dough to get rid of any lump, I'm going ahead to scoop some into a lightly greased pan, and then I'm going ahead to cook it. I'm just cooking it on a low heat for it to start cooking gradually. I did not skip this part, or I did not make it go faster because I want you to know when your dough is done. Now, as you can see, it has started forming some bubbles underneath the dough, and some parts is already white, but all those whitest parts will turn sort of, should I say, creamish? Yeah, and then you would know that your dough is done. And then another point for you to know that your dough is done, that it comes out easily when you're trying to take it out of your pan. So this is me going ahead to take my dough. Please be careful, it's hot. I had to drop it because it was really hot. But yeah, that's the process of making your spring roll wraps or samosa wraps. It's that easy, guys. So I'm just going ahead to repeat the process a few times to get the amount of spring roll wraps that I want. And voila, you're done. I know probably some of you might wonder why my wraps are small. The only reason for that is that I'm using a smaller pan. So if you want big wraps, or if you want a big wraps, then you have to use larger pans for this. But I just use a smaller pan, that's why I have smaller wraps, okay? I should point out, however, that you want your dough to be light, so when you scoop it into your pan, please make sure to drain the excess from your pan so that your dough can be light, and then eventually making your spring roll wraps or samosa wraps lighter. So right now, all I'm doing is that I'm dusting the top of my wraps with flour. This is because I'm going to stack them on each other, and I don't want them to stick to each other when I'm trying to take it out. So flour is more like something that is going to separate them and not allow them to stick to each other. So there you have it, guys. This is how you make your spring roll wraps or spring roll sheets or samosa wraps or sheets. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you guys in my next video.